Yeah. What is the distance now?
258 only, sir.
258 only.
Yes, sir. Not good. Ball topping.
Now what? Again you're trying?
I hit one more shot. So 248.
Now you have to take. What are you using?
I hit 3 wood, sir.
3 wood.
Yes, sir.
Oh, acha, acha. There it is showing.
Yes, sir.
The travel. How much distance? What is the distance remaining now? Whole distance 75.
Balance,
75 yards.
75 yards only.
75 yards. Okay.
Only 75 yards.
Hmm. So now you have to chip it.
Yes, sir. I'll try for a chipping close.
What are you using?
Sandwich.
Sandwich. Ah.
I hit 75 yards.
Ah.
I hit 79.
It is on the edge of the green.
Yes, sir. No, not on the green. Sir.
What is on the green?
It is 75 yards. I hit 79.
Okay, okay.
Sir, 4 yards different only. It's okay.
Oh, yeah, acha, green because the slope was there.
I'm on the green.
You're on the green.
I tried
So
for
you
a
have to.
birdie chance.
Now you have to putt.
Putt means birdie.
Birdie.
17 feet now.
Hmm.
See, only that stroke and speed perfectly it's gone in, sir.
Mm-hmm.
And suppose there also slope is there, sir. See the slope, sir. See, this side also slope, this side also slope. My ball is center. Straight I hit means okay. Otherwise ball 10. 70 feet. I try for a birdie. Yes, sir.
Hey, I got it.
Got it.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
See, 5 per 4 bid. 4 shot I finished.
Yeah.
This is a
Damn
excellent
good.
game, sir. 1 shot minus I played now. Sir. See, 1 minus automatic comes, sir. See, 1 hole I play, 1 minus. Suppose 18 holes I play 5 minus, 6 minus means 100 people come means how many minus? That's important. Suppose I am the leading 6 minus. Suppose sir is 7 minus. 7 minus is 1. First prize.